These are some of the best braided wig installation I've seen, and I'm here to share with you all my beautiful ladies that are looking to get their braided wig installed, or they are looking to get a braided wig. This installation will be an inspiration for your next braided wig to get. This installation are done very neat and they are very clean. That is why I love it, and I want you all to see it and get your braided wig installed rightly, the right way, just as seen in the video. Just enjoy the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and leave a comment on which installation was the best for you on this video. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share with your family and friends who might be interested in wig installation, braided wig installation, and would like to install their wigs as seen in the video, and we would like to get a braided wig. So just enjoy the video. With all these videos shared, this will inspire you for your next braided wig installation, and you'll be able to use any of this video to show your stylist which of the style you want, how you want it installed. And if you enjoyed this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And beside the subscribe button, you will see the bell icon. Click on the bell icon so you'll be notified anytime we make a post like this just for you.